Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can unzip files on Android. So to start, you will need to get yourself appropriate application to work with archived files, including unpacking them. The app that I usually go with is called Rare. That's a very well-known and established archiving app. So a staple from Windows PCs, which pretty much made its way to Android. Let's finish it or cut it there. Anyway, once this app is downloaded and installed, you will simply need to launch it, grant it the all files access. Now find the file or find the archive that you would like to unzip. So mine should be located in the download folder. So here it is. Then press on it to select it. Here it will give you this prompt asking which app you would like to open it with. Of course, I'll go with the Rare app. And in my case, some error actually elapsed. So you know what? Let me just go ahead, open the Files app and try opening the zip file from here. Perhaps it will work better this way. Yeah, anyway, something went wrong in the particular case of this sample zip file, but that's how you generally do that. Maybe let's give it another chance. Yep, so something is wrong with whatever file format I have actually downloaded. Or maybe did I just download the HTML page instead of an actual zip file? Let me quickly double check that. So we'll close the Rare app, try opening it, maybe with Google instead of just the issue is with file that the sample file or the dummy file that I've downloaded in preparation for this video. Anyway, that's how you generally do that. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.